Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is just a highlight reel from our class. It's going over some Wing Chun drills. They're great warm-up drills and great reflex drills. But before we get there, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for our continued support, and have a great day.
Just warming up with straight punches coming in. So we have your Pox, you have your Tons and your Juts. Everybody good, right? We have your Bongs. Everybody good with that? Okay. You have your Bu Saos. You have your Quan Saos. You can go inside, Pac to move outside. What I want to do, and don't forget I want to talk to your elbows, right? So he comes in, you can block with an elbow, come back with a ton. Block with an elbow, come back with a ton. Come back with the elbow, use the other part of the elbow, like in Chum Q for your Jut Saos. All right, again, just really good warm-up. So mix and match them, right? We're going to 1 minute rounds. Play, you can stick with one hand. You can work two hands. I really don't care. You can alternate from one side to the other. Just getting used to picking it up. Remember your eye drills from here. Touch one hand. Look at the other. Start mixing them. I'd like to see you guys pull them in. Work the elbows in, right? Come back. Use your Quan Saos, your Gan Saos, right? Even if you want to lawn, inside, outside. Everybody good? Back to your Juts. Anything you want, just get used to picking these hands up, okay? So we're going to do 1 minute rounds. Find the partner, go slow. Everybody okay?
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.